Hi guys and welcome to Drive Spark. Now what you see over here is the all new MG Majesta. And there are 4 cars. Obviously they did some off-roading. We have the off-roading video also running. There is 1 car and there are 2 cars over here. So okay, this is open. So let's quickly check the interior. So that is how the interiors look like. Completely new interiors, a big panoramic sunroof right over here. You get a 4x4, you get cruise control also, automatic mode. That's your steering wheel, cluster, soft touch material everywhere with contrast stitching, handles to hold a dual storage space right over here. Looks very premium. Those are your driving modes, 3 differential locks over here, and yeah, those are the seats, ventilated seats, fully massage, fully electronic, both driver and passenger. And okay, so now let us go and check the rear section out. So you have the Morris Garage badge right across, then you have the Majesta badge, which looks they could have made it a little smaller, I think, but overall this is how the car looks from the back section. A connected tail light, that is your wrapped around tail light, looks good. Let us quickly open the boot. There you go, that is an electronic boot. And okay, I think it was set at a particular height. So there you go, you have almost more than 340 liters of boot space with the 3rd row up. This comes in either a 6 or a 7 seater. So the 6 seaters captain seats that are right over here. Your 1st row, 2nd row, 3rd row also has a lot of space, as you can see right over here. 60-40 split on the 3rd row, and after you fold this you get more than 1300 liters of boot space. And since it's an electronic boot, you just press a button and obviously the boot will close on its own. You can set the height of the boot as well. Wiper with a washer. You get a spoiler right over here with a high stop mount light, and those are the captain seats right over here. So as you can see, so this can recline, you can recline it from here, and there you have an armrest as well. So this is the captain seats. You get it in a 6-seater where you get captain seats, and 7-seater where there is a bench. No window shades over here, I don't know why. Some carbon fiber accents, ambient lighting over here, JBL surround sound system, 4x4, and yes, that is the 3rd zone climate control. You have 3 zone climate control, 2 at the front and 2 at the back. Let us quickly check this side out as well. That is the steering wheel, your grab handle to hold it, again full electronic seats right over here. You don't get memory for the seats, so here you go. That is the key of the vehicle, and you have buttons to open the boot, lock and unlock, and this is, I think, to this is an alarm button, whether if you want to find your vehicle or not. That is for this armrest that opens up like this. Okay, this side also. Okay, so you open it from here. This is also here. That is how it opens up. And yeah, if I can just quickly show you around. So that is your column shifter. Let me just sit inside and start this car up. Not started, just put ignition. So that is how the startup.
Hope your day is delightful one.
Okay, so that's what it says. That's your touch screen. Again, the layout could have been a little more better. That's your full cluster, and that is your column shifter right over there. Your stock for your high beam, low beam, and your wipers. Start stop button is right over there. Some buttons over here, as I mentioned, 3 diff locks, 2 wireless charging pads, and I'll just switch this off. So when you switch it off, the seat automatically goes behind. Your driving modes are here, cup holders, your electronic park brake, and that is your 2 high auto, 4 high, and this is for your cruise control. That's your off-roading. So basically that is the interior. If we can just show you the hood once again. So yeah, that's a 2-liter turbo diesel engine with 215 PS of power and 479 Nm of peak torque. Pretty powerful engine. You get it either with a 2-wheel drive or a 4-wheel drive, and that is how the engine bay looks like. So the hood also has hydraulic struts. You can open and close it easily. You don't have to struggle. Just unlock it and just lift it up so the hood opens up. Closing it also is not a problem. Slightly heavy, but yes, that is how the Majesta looks like from the front, and I forgot to show you the headlights. That's the headlight unit. That is the DRL's here as well. Front grille looks like this. Radar for the ADAS, works in sync with the camera, and your 19-inch wheels. Just look at the flex on this. There you go. Suspension components, some adjustments right over here, and that is how it looks like when it is on 3 wheels. So yeah guys, that was the all new MG Magister been unveiled. I hope you like this SUV. If you like it, do a thumbs up, share and subscribe to all our social media channels. I'm Promit signing out. See you next time. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, be safe and drive safe.